Hi, this is going to be a beauty review video and I'm going to be reviewing L'Oreal's new no makeup range, and these are the items I've got. So I've got a blush, a bronzer and a highlighter set, which I'll talk to you about in a little while. So this range came out recently and I'll just read you a little bit about what it says on the website and tell you a little bit about the other products you can get as well. So it says, discover the new no makeup range. It's time to skip the snooze button and get up and glow with a new no makeup range from L'Oreal Paris. This includes our Nudista skin tint, two gorgeous highlighting palettes, our liquid gold glow drops, the warm Life's a Peach blusher and the stunning matte back to bronze bronzer. Combined, they allow you to create makeup looks so natural and luminous you'll think you just woke up like this. So these are the full range there, and you can see you've got the different items there. So quite a few items in the range. I've gone for 3 of the items from the range, and blusher and the bronzer both cost £8.99 and the highlighting palette costs £12.99. So this is what they look like up close. That's the bronzer, nice massive one, palm sized, matte. The blush, gorgeous corally peach colour, and then the highlighting palette. There you go. The reason I went for this range is because I fell in love with this blusher. This blusher screams me. This is the sort of colour I go for. I absolutely adore it, and I currently use L'Oreal's Le Blush in Peach, and it's a tiny little one. It's half the size of this and I absolutely adore it. So when I saw this I thought, right, yeah, it's my chance to get rid of that because that should have been binned ages ago and go for this, which is brand new and it looks similar colour, and I thought it would last me quite a while as well. Now I'm always after a matte bronzer, a really nice matte bronzer, not too warm but warm enough to give me a bit of definition on my face and a bit of a natural glow then. And this looks perfect. It is absolutely stunning. So this is the very first time I've opened it. I've had these now for about a week. So I've been dying to do this video. So that's how it comes. And that's what it looks like there. And what I like about it is you've got a little mirror and you've got a little brush as well. Now I don't use these brushes, but it's just a nice little compact. Really lovely. So I'll just swatch a little bit on my arm just to show you. Nice, really nice colour. Quite a nice tan colour, not too dark and not too warm. It's just, it looks really lovely. Yeah, no, I like that. So that's the bronzer. Going back to the blush, I'll open this up. Gorgeous colour. And again, it's got the mirror and the little brush in there. So let's swatch the blush. Oh, it's nice. It is, it's very natural looking. Hold on a minute. Let's do some more over there. There. Can you see there? Very natural looking. Really nice. And then the highlighting palette. Now I saw this and I have got a few highlighting palettes, but I've never tried a L'Oreal highlighter before. Really pretty colours. Hopefully you can see there, so I'll swatch them. Wow, they are stunning. There. So that's the whole lot. So you've got the bronzer, the blusher and the highlighters, if you can see everything clearly there. They are so pretty. Whoa, they are gorgeous and good for eyeshadows as well. So I'm really chuffed with these items so far, but let's try them on my face. So let's start with the bronzer, just using a brush. Don't know what the make of this brush is. It's just nice and soft. Using the mirror. There. Now I am aware that this is, you know, it's no makeup, so it's not going to be in your face. It's not going to be the sort of makeup I'd probably wear if I was going out on a night out and I wanted something a bit more dramatic. But it's a sort of makeup I can't wait to wear in the summer when I do tone down and I go for more of a glowy look on my face. And that's one of the reasons I decided to get the whole, well, the 3 then, instead of just the blusher on its own. I'm really loving this colour. It's given a really natural sort of glow to my face. Oh, it is, it's nice. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. But yeah, no, really nice. So next, going in with a blusher, just using a Real Techniques blusher brush. Oh, it's nice. very subtle and the sort of shade, and with the bronzer that you can just layer and layer until you get the desired sort of intensity. But oh, I love it, because a lot of the time, especially with blushers, you know, you just have to dip the brush in the powder and a heck of a lot comes off, you know. But no, I'm putting a few layers on this, but it's nice because I'm in control about how much I'm actually applying. But no, I think that's lovely. You know, really nice. Onto the highlighter. I'm going to go for the lightest one. I think what would be nice in the summer, using a brush like this, go over them all so you've got a little bit of a mix. As long as it's not, the brush isn't too wide, because you would have like a big blob of highlight all over your face, but going in quite a bit smaller brush than this maybe, and going over them all so that it picks up different colours, I think that would be absolutely gorgeous. But for now, I'm just going to use the one colour. I'm going to use the palest one there. Ooh. Oh, let's see. Nice. Again, it's not too shimmery, glittery, which I don't like, and those type of ones really accentuate fine lines, especially around here. So no, I quite like that. Quite subtle, but still really glowy and nice. A little bit above there. So try a little bit on my nose. Ooh, a little bit on there. I love the fact that you can build it up. I know I keep saying that, don't I? But I do. I love the fact that it can be built up quite easily. So you're in complete control. So if you're new to makeup, this range would be perfect for you actually, because it's not intimidating. You can just, you know, apply as much as you want, as much as you need. And no, I think it's beautiful. I think it's really, really lovely. I need a little bit more blush now that I've put the highlight on. Always pout when I do blush. Apologies. Always do it. Always do it. There. So that's the look. Very quick and easy, and I absolutely love them all. Obviously I can't say about the rest of the collection, but for the bronzer, the blusher and the highlighter, I think they are just stunning. They're just very muted colours, definitely a no makeup look. A tinted moisturiser or a CC cream or a BB cream or something like that, and a bit of blush and bronzer, a bit of highlighter, and you're good to go. So that was my first impressions review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it'd be lovely if you left me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be great if you were to subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty related videos to come. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.